Spirit Energy has won the most customer-focused installer award from Octopus Energy for providing a consistently outstanding customer experience. We're a member of the Octopus Trusted Partner Program. This program was set up by Octopus following the success of their own solar install service. Octopus tends to stick to the simpler solar installation projects and doesn't get involved with the more complex and bespoke side of the industry. But they do get a lot of inquiries for trickier installs, so they set up the Trusted Partner Program to pass inquiries on to more experienced installation firms around the UK. Remember that solar and battery storage is a complex industry, and Octopus has only been installing solar and battery storage for 2 years or so they don't have much experience with complicated projects. There are hundreds of Octopus trusted partners up and down the country, all with very prestigious pedigrees and a lot of experience. On the 4th of April 2025, we were given this prestigious award from the CEO of Octopus Energy, Greg Jackson. So how did we win this award? Well, the entrance process wasn't easy. It involved a long entry form where we had to provide copies of customer reviews and testimonials. We had to talk about previous awards that we'd won, including the Tesla Installation Excellence Award in 2024 and the Tesla Performance Excellence Award in 2021. We also had to provide the phone numbers of a few of our clients so that Octopus could reach out to them for a first-hand account of what it's like to deal with Spirit Energy as a company. One of the things that I included in the entry form was our case study video series, Sam's Solar Journey, which consists of 11 3 to 5 minute videos following the solar and battery journey of one of our local clients, Sam from Reading. And it documents his process getting a solar and battery system installed from the initial discovery phone call, where we discuss what he's looking for and the options available, to the design, where we worked out how to maximize the surface area of his roof covered by solar panels, as well as the optimal panel orientation to aid with shade mitigation from the chimney and trees. It also covers the technical survey and chartered structural survey with our head of installs, and the project management work done to prepare for installation. Finally, it shows the entire installation process of the solar panels and Tesla Powerwall 3, as well as the commissioning and handover process with handover pack. You don't need to watch the entire series, just pick whichever video sounds most interesting. The entry and awards ceremony was completely free of charge, and the evening was a lot of fun. The evening was hosted by Susan Bookbinder, who is the voice of Octopus Energy. There was a speech by Rebecca, who is the Chief Marketing Officer at Octopus, as well as 2 speeches by Greg Jackson, the Octopus Energy founder and CEO. Greg also helped to judge the award and vote on the winner. Halfway through the evening, there was also an interview with Harry Redknapp, which was great to see. After going up to collect the award, we were then invited to do an interview where we were asked some questions on camera by the Octopus marketing department. All in all, it was a great evening and a nice reflection on the care and attention that goes into every project from the designers, project managers and install team at Spirit Energy. So a big thanks to Greg, Rebecca and Tom and everyone else at Octopus for the kind award.